I have bought this color paper for 150 from Flipkart, and now I'm unboxing it, and you can see these colors are seriously so bright, and I think it looks so smooth also. And yeah, it is smooth. And now you can see how many colors there are 10 colors for each. So I think it's 10 into 10 is equal to 100 papers, so every colors must be 10. There are pink, light green, it's a little bit mustard yellow. Now it's the black. It's black is not looking proper black. My last color papers is very good in like bright color, you can say, but these are so smooth, and the color are very look like a pastel color. These are, so this comes with light green, purple, red, pink. Two pinks are there, you can see, and brown also. You can make a very good card with these, and also for origami, etc. So but I can like tell you, this paper is not very thick, so it is a little bit thin here, and you can see the colors are really bright, but it's a little thing, I can say. But everything other is good, so you can buy this from Flipkart or Amazon, anywhere you want. So